చేత పడదా?
Good morning, Mamata. I am Venkatramana. So I would like to name this video as Mr. Indifferent. So he started his day by moving down to the downstairs from the elevator. There he is seeing a girl who wanted help, but due to some his personal reasons, he didn't help her, and he moved on. Later, he seeing a girl who lost her balloon, but he didn't help her too. He didn't remove his hands from the pocket. Then he moved on. Later, he didn't help a volunteer too. So at last, a old woman hold his hand, and a truck is coming towards him. Due to his fear, he stopped the truck, which automatically helped her too, and she thought that he was helping her, the old woman. So she thanked him. So this experience changed him a lot. So small thing changed him so much, and when he went to her, he thought so much about it, and he started from next day. He changed a lot and helped the sailor who retrieved her balloon